Welcome everyone. This morning I am somewhere new. I am at Haycock Point in Pambula. Now the rock's up over on the other side of that point and out in there. You may have seen me fish a couple times with Steve, but I've never been over to the beach side. There we go. It's a big beach. But my buddies Drew and Sean from down in Eden, they suggested trying the beach fishing here. And I hummed and hawed this morning about here, going back out the tour, and this was a little bit closer, so I thought I'll try somewhere new and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. So I've got a high-low rig. I'm using some salted pilchard this morning. I'm not sure exactly how far out to cast here. Oh, it's not too bad. It's chilly, but it's not too bad. Oh, here we go. I think we finally got into one. It's been about an hour. No, maybe I didn't. No, I think he's still there. No, definitely a fish now. Yeah, there we go. Oh, just a little guy. Just a little salmon. But a little salmon is better than no salmon. There we go. Just a little guy. But he was adventurous. That pilchard I had on there is almost as big as he is. So that's one this morning. I might have got here just a bit too early. I got here just at the changing of the tide. It's starting to come in now, so hopefully the fishing picks up, but we'll see what happens. Incoming. Now they're flying right at me there for a bit. Well, I don't know if this is going to pick it up because they're out there a little bit. But Mother Nature's got me again. There is a pod of dolphins out here. I'm hoping they pop up again. And they're right up in front of me here. There they are, right there in the wave. Oh, the little swell. They're right there. I don't know if GoPro's going to pick it up, but looks like there's about 4 of them going across right there. That's certainly not going to help the fishing. Well, I was just going to say my hookup rate has been very poor, but we got into one. Gotten quite a few bites the last half hour. But I haven't been catching them. It's another small salmon. There we go. He's not very big. Probably about the same size as the last one. But he's hooked funny. So hopefully he makes it. But that's 2. Ah, look, another one. Second crab this week. Well, he's got a hold of everything too. Yeah. There we go. There we go. He is not a happy camper. It will be in a minute. You're going back, dude. There you go. So, having been down here for over a year, never caught one. 2 in the same week, not too bad. Oh, something on here. It's another crab. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. He saved himself just in the nick of time. There he is. Whoop. Well, it was a beautiful morning down here at Haycock Point. The fishing was actually pretty good. I had an hour and 15 minutes where it was pretty much non-stop. My hookup rate was atrocious, and I had one really big hit that I didn't get as well. But the 2 salmon, the 2 crabs, but the dolphins and the whales, we saw probably 4 or 5 whales come through again this morning. Just beautiful. An absolutely gorgeous spot, and I'm definitely going to hit this spot up again this summer. So when the water gets a bit warmer, I reckon down here where this little trough is, when the tide's right, flathead probably just sit down there and just wait for food. So I had a good time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, keep fishing.